Hey everyone, so I hope you're all doing well. Today's video will be a makeup tutorial. Obviously you can see through my getup, and it's going to be Eid special. As I was going to make a makeup tutorial anyway, so I thought why not make a home stay Eid makeup look. Now this is something that you can literally carry on in so many outfits, and yeah, and it's very everyday makeup I like. Let's not talk too much and get on with it. So let's get started, and right now I have some bits done already just to save time. Before starting, I'll just show you what I used. So I started off with a bare face using my cream, this current cream that I'm using right now, CLINIQUE Moisture Surge. It was gifted to me from a friend, and it's really nice, especially when your face is really dry. It moisturizes your face really well. And then I used a primer, and this is a Bobbi Brown primer. You have probably seen me using this in my previous videos. Then I used this glowing serum. As you can see, I'll show you. I'll put a drop on my hand and I'll show you what it's like. So if you rub it on your skin, it gives you a really nice glowy finish. Well, it makes your skin look very glowy. I put this on as well, and I don't know where you can purchase this from, but I got this from Glossybox. And afterwards I have put on a foundation, and I'll show you my foundations. I have used a mixture of Bobbi Brown. I prefer light foundation during the summer. This is the best. I'm blessed with a very clear skin in terms of I don't have any spots or anything, but you know, if you are someone who's very insecure with the skin, you can go ahead with a full coverage foundation. It's totally up to you, but in my preference, I prefer lighter foundations, so you know, I don't feel like my skin can't breathe. Yeah, and then I used these two. I used a mixture of these two foundations because I like the shade it creates after using this too. And yeah, and then I just did my eyebrows. That's it. So now I will be applying a concealer, and this is London hashtag Insta Concealer and Contour. I'm gonna start off with transition color, and I'm gonna use my brush from James Charles brush set. And I use this normally as a transition brush. Start off with Coastline from Riviera palette. So it's this one over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a softy, dusty pink, more on the yellow, orangey side, as I am very warm tone. I will apply this on the crease. Gently do little rounds towards inside. And I'm using Morphe M506, so it's something that looks like this. And I will start creating more definition towards the end. And I'm using Monte Carlo, so it's this shade over here. So it's a little darker than this one, as you can see, and define the edge of my crease and slowly build it up and blend everything in. Now I will quickly go back with the previous brush and use coastline again and just bring the color a bit more on the front. Now I'm just going to use a concealer again and go on top of the lid. Now I'm gonna quickly go back to the darker shade to just refine the difference in shade that I will have once I apply the eyeshadow on my lid. I want to use this shade over here on the corner of my lid, so around this section, Palermo, and it's this one there. So now I'm just gonna use the Anastasia shade and use my hand again. So that's the shade. It looks nice. It looks really nice. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna put in the middle of my lid. There might be a few fallouts of glitters, so stay careful. If you have small eyes like I do and you want to make your eyes look bigger, a cut crease is the best option for you. I actually adore this shade. It's very like BOBBI pink, and it's to die for. I love this color and I feel like this is one of my favorite from this palette, and it's called Burb. I don't know if you can see the color. Yeah, it's that one there. And I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Now I'm gonna put eyeliner and I'm gonna try to make a long wing. I will go back with my transition color and just apply a little bit on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna apply eyeliner and I'm gonna use this Stamp and Drag. It's kind of washed out right now, but yeah, Stamp and it's from Chate, London, and it's called Stamp and Drag. And it has two sides, as you can see. There you go. I'm gonna go back and apply a bit more of the concealer. Maybe I'll try a different concealer now. Okay, before doing everything else, I'm just gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna use a pencil to go and line my lips. And I'm gonna go back with this one and just and I will use Huda Beauty's matte lipstick Rendezvous, and yeah, I'll just apply it on my lips. I'm just gonna use this shade called Girl Strip and use it on top to top it up. Normally I put the lip plumper thing from Too Faced, but I didn't this time. Now I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm not gonna use a darker concealer to contour. I'm just going to use a bronzer. Actually, I'm going to use this Sleek face contour kit, and I'm going to use the bronze from here. But yeah, we're nearly done. I'm gonna put some powder on. So I'm gonna use a KIKO Radiant Fusion baked powder, and I'm gonna use a KIKO brush as well that I got. I think this is the powder brush from KIKO, and I got these two together when I bought them. So you could do that as well. And I'm just gonna powder and blend everything together, so nothing's left out, everything's really nice and blended. Now I'm just gonna quickly put some blush on. Recently I've been in love, literally in love with this Botanic Beauty. So I think it's from Botanic Beauty London, and it's called Darling Dahlia, and it's a blush, and it's the perfect shade for warmer toned people like me, and I just love how it sits on your face. I'm gonna use this Revolution Strom highlighter, and it's called Flash, and it's really nice. I feel like with makeup there's no steps that you need to follow, it's whoever does it however they want. I'm gonna quickly come back wearing some jewellery, and I also need my dupatta. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you're all doing well with this whole quarantine and lockdown and the whole coronavirus thing going on around the world. We are going through a huge pandemic. Yes, it is tough, but we can all go through this keeping a positive mind, and you know, just you know, keeping yourself and your mental health in a good position where you're not getting upset about what's happening around the world. Keep yourself mentally busy. Yeah, so this is my homestay Eid look. It's very lightweight. I'm not wearing lashes. If you want to wear lashes, you can. Yeah, and so if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel, and please support me and my channel, and stay with me, and Eid Mubarak. Love you guys. Bye.